Hello and welcome to this video on career development. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing job market, it is more important than ever to be prepared for the workforce. Whether you are a recent graduate, considering a career change, or simply looking to enhance your professional skills, this video will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to help you look for employment opportunities. I'm going to go through where you can access hidden job markets so you can start job hunting. What is a hidden job market? I'm going to start with the most common challenge faced by graduate students. This is the most common question that we encounter here in Career Services. I've been sending out many resumes, but nobody responds. What can the reason be, and where else can I look for jobs? To maximize your efficiency, you should be utilizing more than one job platform. Where are these job platforms that you speak of, you may ask? The whole point of the hidden job market is that they are hidden. You cannot go out to a single place and find these job openings. That is why, if you know where to look, you can broaden your exposure and cast a wider net in applying for more employment opportunities. The hidden job market refers to jobs that are not advertised on conventional media platforms or publicly advertised. This brings forth the importance of networking, as many job openings are filled through referrals and personal connection. This can include internal hires where a transfer takes place. The candidate's history and credentials are already familiar to the organization due to the initial hire. The hiring manager would also have a sense of the candidate's capabilities and performance from the time already spent within the organization. In other words, they know what they can expect from the employee when an internal transfer is granted. Posting on job platforms usually involves fees to be paid by the hiring companies. If they wish to get their job offerings highlighted and showing right at the top when a candidate does a job search, a premium per job is normally charged. This comes across as extra cost to the companies looking to recruit. Hiring internally and through referrals save organization this cost. If the companies are not advertising, then where can we find these jobs? We can make use of the following channels. Let's start with social media sites. One of the most popular professional social media platforms is LinkedIn. LinkedIn has a powerful advantage for job seekers by simply connecting and following a company. There is a Jobs tab on the company's LinkedIn page where you can see job opportunities. You can communicate and reach out to recruiters by finding the right person to connect with. Type in a customized message to show your sincerity in wanting to connect with him or her. Following an organization on LinkedIn allows you to receive any updates or posts from the company. You can turn on Job Alert on LinkedIn and get notified the moment a job posted by the company. This function can also be customized to keywords in what you are looking for. In this way, you will not miss a job that you are interested in. Also, beat the competition by being among the early applications. LinkedIn allows you to do an easy apply where a resume gets sent to the hiring manager. Webinars are one of the most secret platforms for employment opportunities. You might think that one cannot find opportunities in webinars when, in fact, many industry talks or webinars have some form of recruitment element to them. By attending webinars, you get to network with attendees or even presenters. This allows you to build your network, opening the way for more referrals and connections. Recruitment firms can be a useful resource for finding a job. These firms specialize in connecting job seekers with potential employers, and they often have access to job listings that are not advertised publicly. Many recruitment or placement firms have some industries that they are specialized in or are known to recruit for. A tip will be to find a recruitment firm that specializes in the industry you are looking for. We hope we have opened your eyes to the possibilities out there that you might not be aware of. Take the first step to tapping into the hidden job market to find exciting and rewarding career opportunities. Our workshop, Unlocking the Hidden Job Market, covers this and more in detail. We hope to see you there. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. For more in-depth and detailed coverage, do join us in our workshops. Feel free to reach out to us at Career Services and Engagement Team at PSB Academy. Thank you and all the best in your job search.